Welcome Cebu Philca Realty, the real estate channel in the Philippines. This is House for Rent. This is fully furnished house. That's a living area, dining, kitchen. This is fully furnished. One bedroom in the ground floor. Storage?
CR.
Oh, CR. And it has three bedroom upstairs. Master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath. And it's the biggest room in this house. This is the bedroom one. Bedroom two here. Even there is no lights on, the house is still can the lights can easily get in the house. And this is the master's bedroom. If you're interested, this is for rent for 30,000 per month. This is fully furnished. Call Cebu Philca for more information. Thank you for watching.